Right here we have our polishing tool and accessory kit. So this is everything you need to polish your car, excluding the chemicals themselves. This package includes the polishes, the tapes, towels, and the pads that you'll need throughout the entire polishing step in the detailing process. Starting with the pads themselves, you have the option of choosing 2 of each, 4 of each, or 6 of each pads, depending on how many you want or how many cars you're going to do. Included are the Rupes yellow microfiber pads. So these are your most aggressive cutting pads. The Rupes yellow foam pads. These are a less aggressive cutting pad. And then your Rupes foam white pads. These are for really delicate finishing, especially on soft paint. You have both the 5-inch and the 3-inch variants of those pads. For towels, we have 10 of the high pile polish removal towels and 10 of the low pile polish removal towels. Generally speaking, you'll use a high pile towel if you have soft paint or you just have a lot of residue coming off, and you'll use a low pile for something that doesn't have as much residue coming off. But it's a good idea to have both for any situation you might encounter. For tape, we decided to include 3M's precision masking tape. This is leagues better than that generic blue tape you'll find a lot of people using. It goes on really easily. It leaves no adhesive when you pull it off. It's really predictable and easy to work with, so it tears very nicely, and we enjoy this. You'll get 2 1-inch rolls of tape, 2 2-inch rolls of tape, and 1 1/4-inch roll of tape. You have the option of including a couple polishers with this package. Starting with the 5-inch, we decided to include the Milwaukee 15mm polisher. We used to go to the Rupes all the time, but whenever this came out, we just found ourselves using it a lot more than the Rupes for a few key reasons. One, it's totally cordless, so you can bring it outside to blow out your polishing pads. You don't have to fight the cord and worry about it hitting your fender, and generally speaking, it's a little bit more powerful than the Rupes as well. That being said, it does vibrate slightly more than the Rupes, but it's not that big of a deal to go with the Rupes. For 3-inch, we decided to include the Rupes HLR 75. This is another cordless polisher, so you have no cord to contend with, and it's actually an ergonomic style, so it'll keep you more comfortable in those long polishing sessions. This is a phenomenal polisher, but there is only one downside that I think you should be aware of, and that there is no lock on the trigger. So if you have it set to on and you turn it over to apply some polish and you accidentally tap it, it'll fling polish everywhere. But as long as you make a note of that, it's a phenomenal polisher and we love it. So that is the entire polishing tool and accessory kit. Like I said, you have the option of adding the polishers and choosing how many pads you want, but whether you're a new detailer or you're a tried and true detailer looking to refresh your arsenal, this is an excellent kit to consider. This kit pairs really well with the coating kit. You'll want to properly protect your paint after you spend so much time getting it perfect. As always, if you have any questions about this kit or any of the individual items in it, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.